All units stand by for voice message. Sheboygan Fire Dispatch to all listening units. Since June 17th, 1908, for 109 years, the dedicated volunteers of the Batavia Fire Department have answered that page. At 2400 hours on today's date, they will be out of service for the final time. Batavia Fire, you've given generously of your time and talent to protect the lives and property of the citizens of Batavia and the surrounding areas. Your legacy will carry on through the professionalism of your brothers and sisters in the volunteer fire service. Your diligence and sacrifice will be missed but not forgotten. For there is not a more noble call than to serve others. The memory of your selfless deeds will speak for you in the years to come.
Sheboygan County Fire Dispatch from Batavia Volunteer Fire Department. We acknowledge the page. Out of service as of 2400 hours, June 30th, 2017. To all, take care, stay safe, and stay safe.